So my plan today is to get these studs in right along here. I'm going all the way across the whole foundation, so going from here, following this line, all the way down there. You can see I've got a line in all the way, and it goes all the way right down here, so go all the way down here. Quite a lot to do. Oh, all the way up there, if you like. Quite a lot of studs to do today. And then once that's done, a row in here that goes along that line there. So plenty of studs. Basically you want roughly not every metre, but not far off a metre. Obviously your architect will give you the exact dimensions of where it's to go, but there you go. So that's for today. Well, that's that bit, folks. It's done. You can see all the way up there. I'll take you on a little trip up the Pinamishka. So you can see up there. Oop, going all the way up. All these are in as well now. This side hasn't finished yet. There's a few bits to go in there, 2 bits to go in there, and then a whole row down there, so that's the next side of it. All the way up, all finished, and all the way up. And that's it. I can take my eye off now and fix it over to the next side. There we go. That's it, folks. We're done. It's all done on this side. Everything's done. All the studs are in. So that's what it looks like when they're all in.